To link data from one sheet to another in Excel, first select your data. Let's see if I can get it here. There we go. And copy it, Control-C. Go to your next sheet and click on the top cell and Control-V. But when you paste it, you want to come down to this lower menu and select Paste Link. When you paste a link, it links it to the other tab. So if I come back over to sheet number 7 and I change pencils to 3,000 and I change paper to 5,000, whoops, don't want to do that. Change paper to 5,000. That's my link up there. All right, hold on a minute. You'll see what's going to happen here. I'll pull this formula over so we'll have it again. Then if I look on sheet 8, I have exactly the same thing. So they're linked together. Another way that you can do it is if you just are linking a cell, like if I wanted to link this cell B, I can come over to sheet 8 and I can start down in any cell and say equals, then go back to sheet 7 and click on B2 and hit return. And you'll see here on sheet 8, it puts the same number in there. So if I go back to sheet 7 and change this to 500, then on sheet 8, it's going to change to 500 too.